beautiful, sweet, powerful. You either have it or you don't.
The moment you forget that, is the moment you disappear.
Have you heard? There's been another victim of the Leather Man.
Is he a ghost? A monster? A god?
If you think he's playing games with you, he is. If you think he's gonna kill you, he is. This is gonna be hell.